Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video I will describe how to make spicy popcorn. First, you will need a hot oil type popcorn maker like the West Bend Stir Crazy. I find these all the time in Goodwills for around $5, but they're about $25 or $30 new if you buy them in the store. For a full batch you will need 3 tablespoons of oil. This could be store-bought popcorn popping oil or just regular vegetable oil, that's fine. Use 2 teaspoons of medium heat dried pepper. Now this is subjective to taste, so if you want it hotter or milder, adjust it up or down. If you're using super hot powder, cut it down to at least half of a teaspoon. 1 cup of kernels will make a full batch, but I always use just a little under a cup. And this is also depending on the type of kernels, but for the ones I'm using, 3/4 of a cup works well. I made my own pepper flakes by using a mortar and pestle to crush dried chiltepin peppers that I grew. And this works really well for that, but you can use whatever powder or pepper flakes that you already have, even store-bought is fine. So I measure out 3 tablespoons of oil and just put them on the heating plate. Again, you could use any kind of like high temp oil like canola or just regular vegetable oil is fine. So we add our 2 teaspoons of dried pepper flakes. And again, adjust this up or down depending on your desired level of heat and the type of pepper you're using. So take your kernels and just pour them on the hot plate as evenly as you can. So now you just plug it up and let it go. Some Stir Crazies have a power switch and some don't. This one doesn't, so it just plugs up. And remember to put the lid on as soon as you start it. And I'll go ahead and speed this video up so you don't have to wait. At this point, it's good to go ahead and turn on a vent if you have it, or have this set up in a well-ventilated area. When the popping slows down, go ahead and unplug it from the wall and unplug it from the base. And there are holes in the lid, so I put a piece of paper down for invert it. There's actually a lid that comes with this, but I'm not sure where this one is, so I just put it there so I don't get oil on everything. And just go ahead and move the base out of the way. And looking at the popcorn, you can see some of the yellower pieces of corn are from the oil, and a lot of the little dark specks are some of the pieces of cooked pepper flakes. And go ahead and try a few pieces, and I always need to season it generally with salt or whatever seasoning you want to add. So I'm just going to use some store-bought popcorn salt. Works a lot finer than regular table salt, and it seems to adhere better. So I try it again, and it's much better. The heat level on this is a nice medium level. It's pleasant. It probably not even too hot for people who aren't chili heads, but they would definitely feel the heat. So it could be adjusted up or down, but I think this batch is a success. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.